In a recent conversation with a friend, she asked me what a stocks and shares ISA is. I thought everyone knows what a stocks and shares ISA was. Because I had worked in the industry so long, I assumed everyone knew. So my question to you, do you know what an ISA is, its benefits to you, and if you should have an account? Welcome to Simple Money Hacks, the #1 channel for practical tips on managing and making money. My name is Joyce. In today's video, we will start the beginning of our ISA series. Today though, I will just give an overview of what they are. And to make this video easy to understand, I have used a lot of graphics and illustration. So feel free to pause the video so that you can take a closer look. A savings or investment account you never pay tax on. It's a big deal because we are taxed nearly to death in the UK. We pay taxes on our salaries. We pay taxes when we shop. We pay taxes when we sell an asset and make a profit. We pay taxes when we inherit from our wealthy parents. We pay taxes when we buy our homes. We pay taxes when we save and we're not saving in an ISA account. The UK government could see that we are tired of paying taxes. So they came up with an ISA account, an account where we do not have to pay taxes. Sadly though, most people do not know about ISAs, or some people think it is too complicated, and some people think ISAs are for the rich. At the end of this video, you will know what an ISA is, how simple it is to operate, and that it is for everybody, not just the rich. You cannot have a joint ISA account. Each year you get a tax allowance. Current year allowance is 20,000. Next year allowance is also going to be 20,000. You can't roll forward your unused allowance. You either use it or lose it. The tax year runs from April the 6th to April the 5th the following year. There are 4 types of ISAs: cash ISAs, stocks and shares ISAs, lifetime ISAs, and innovative finance ISAs. There is also a junior ISA created for children aged between 0 and 15 years old. It's usually managed by their parents and their allowance is 9,000 per annum. Help to Buy ISAs were designed specifically to help people buy their first home. It is no longer available for savers. If you already own one, you can pay into it until November 2029. For every £200 you save, you get a bonus from the government of £50. The maximum bonus you can get on a Help to Buy ISA is £3,000. That is a quick overview of ISAs in general. In my next video, I will do a review on cash ISAs. For more details, I will leave a link to useful resources in the description. This video is purely educational. It should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research and seek advice from financial advisors before making any kind of investment decisions. At Simple Money Hacks, we want to help you understand financial products very easily. Is there anything you don't understand about ISAs in general? Let me know in the comments. I will read each one and I will reply. I hope I have shared at least one thing that has helped you in today's video. If I have, then like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.